When you're looking at this tape diagram, the 87 represents the total amount of something. And then it's the total amount of four things. It could be four groups, four things, four groups, something like that, or groups. And then the 39 is plus 39 of something. So when we go through each one of these to figure out if it works, we need to make sure that that counts. So on number 1, it says there are 87 children and 39 adults at the show. Well, if it's 87 and 39, that's 87 plus 39. That means 87 can't be the total, so number 1 will not work. Number 2 says that there are 87 first graders in aftercare after 39 students are picked up. So that's 39 of the 87. So 87 is a total. That's good. We're on the right track. After 39 students are picked up, she puts the students into 4 groups. So there you go. We've got the 87 students, 39, and the 4 groups. Guess what? Number 2 works. Number 3 says that Lynn buys a pack of 87 pencils. Okay, so we have 87 of a total. And then she gives 39 to her teacher and shared the remaining pencils between herself and 3 friends. So 39 give to her teacher, and then we also have the 4 go to her and her friends. So it looks like this is going to work. So number 3 works. Number 4 says that Andre buys 4 packs of paper clips with 39 paper clips in each. Then he gives 87 paper clips to his teacher. So we have 4 packs, and inside those 4 packs are 39. But that doesn't work because we already talked about this being plus 39. It's 4 things or groups plus 39 more. So we know that that one can't work. And then number 5, as I'm starting to run out of room here, Diego's family spends $87 on 4 tickets to the fair and a $39 dinner. So 87 for 4 tickets plus dinner. So there you go. Those are the 4 things, and it all equals $87. So this one will work. So I'm going to circle these. 2 works, 5 works, and 3 works.